Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going shopping for home decor today. The first stop is Ross. So let's first check out the mirrors. I see this one back here in the back. It's $27.99 on sale. I have a couple of these clocks. They are very inexpensive. I have one in gold and one in this silver. They are $16.99. And they also come in this pretty rose gold color as well. I like that one all the way in the back. Let me see if I can get up close and see how much that one is. Okay, $5.99 for this glass candle holder. And let's look at this one. This one is $6.99. And then there's a taller one back here. It is $8.99. And those are pretty together. Now these are really pretty. This one is $7.99. Let's look at the other taller one. $8.99. This mosaic apple is only $5.99. That's pretty, but it's just the wrong shade of gold. Okay, here are a few more. They have silver and they have my color of gold, which is champagne gold. $5.99. I don't need these, but these are really pretty accent pieces. You see the difference? The yellow gold looks like a disco ball, but the champagne gold is really pretty and subtle gold. This large gold tray is only $9.99 on sale. These are pretty. So now we're at HomeGoods, and the first thing I see are these really pretty bookends. They're only $12.99. HomeGoods always has the prettiest crystal knobs. $24.99. And let's look at these. This box is pretty torn. I don't see a price on this one. I've purchased so many sets of these knobs. I tell you, when you really want to spruce up a piece of old furniture, changing out the knobs can definitely make a huge difference. It looks like the prices range from $9.99 up to about $24.99. I spy with my little eye this really huge Lazy Susan. Let me take it down. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's on sale for $25. It's about 16 inches. This huge wall mirror is also on clearance. It's $89. I don't know if you can tell, but this thing is huge. This pretty laundry basket is $29. It looks like they've got several lamps on clearance also. Most of these lamps are about $39. Yep, that one is pretty. And that one's unique. Yep, 39 bucks. This one is $29. Wait, I missed this one up here. This one is very different. I don't see a price for that one though. This pretty runner. It is a 2x8. It is $59.99. Super pretty. And it's got other styles. But this one is definitely by far the best one. Beautiful. I can get back here. I'll show you guys this one also. It's pretty mosaic. It's really pretty. Mosaic mirror. This one is $129.99. Pretty. Look at this. This is definitely a Z Gallery dupe. $129.99. Wow. This Tahari mirror is also definitely a Z Gallery dupe. Look, it's already $79.99. That's 175 bucks. Wow. That is a true statement piece. That's amazing. We've made it to Pier 1. I'm only going to be in here for a couple of minutes. I'm just waiting on her to pull my online order from the back. This pretty silver vase is $39.95. That's unique. I may DIY something similar to this one. Let me get my camera to focus. This lamp is $1.99. Really pretty bohemian crystal floor lamp. Just like the bohemian crystal chandelier that I showed you guys in my last video. Very pretty. This sunburst mirror is $149. Definitely overpriced. You could for sure DIY this for a lot cheaper. Alright guys, so we made it home and I thought I'd share with you a few items that I picked up. The first were these crystal drawer knobs. They were $9.99 from HomeGoods. These things are really a great way to spruce up old furniture. Here I'm showing you the old knobs to a chestnut dresser and the new knobs. I also picked up these really pretty placemats from HomeGoods. They were $7.99 each. I know a lot of you guys use these placemats for the holidays, but in all honesty, I am a bling girl, so I use these types of placemats all year long. I'm sure it doesn't surprise anyone that I picked up this 16-inch Lazy Susan from HomeGoods that was on sale for $25. It is so huge and it's really heavy, but really pretty. So I was definitely not going to pass this up. Do I need a new Lazy Susan like this? Nope. I've actually DIY'd something similar, but I thought that the crystals on this one was beautiful and it's really big, and I needed one of these in my living room. I'll quickly share this charger plate with you guys. I picked it up from Tuesday morning. I did not record while I was in there. It was only $13.99. I could only find one, unfortunately, and I need 6. So I will be on the hunt for 5 more before the holidays. From what I'm told by the employees, they are stocked often. From Ross, I picked up these $12.99 mirrored jeweled wall sconces. They're really pretty. They are small, so I'll likely DIY a third larger piece to accompany these, but they're super cute, so I definitely wanted to pick these up. I also purchased that $27.99 mirror from Ross that was on sale. Here I've placed it in my rustic glam guest bathroom. I picked up the $13.99 gold ornate mirror from Ross as well. I already had one of these and was looking for a second mirror, so I was happy to find this one. Here's what I picked up from Pier 1. Here is the champagne gold mosaic wall panel. It is normally $179, but Pier 1 did have a sale, so I was able to get this wall panel for about $114. I've been waiting on this to go on sale. I think it is a beautiful piece, and I am so thrilled to find it on sale. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And for more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, Up Close and Personal. I usually upload these types of videos there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.